Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can add intersection symbol in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So we need to open Microsoft Word first. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Maximize it. Click on the blank document. Now here we need to simply click on the Insert tab at the ribbon, and here you will find symbols. Click on the drop down arrow and click on More Symbols. Now for the font, change this to normal text, and in subset, click on the drop down arrow and you have to choose mathematical operators or uh, once done, you need to simply look for this one, intersection symbol. Now you can simply click on the insert button to add it, but we can also create a shortcut for it so that you will just use the shortcut whenever you want to insert an intersection symbol on your Microsoft Word. Now click on autocorrect and simply replace it with the text. So let's type backslash intersection, and that's it. Click on add. It's backslash intersection and click on OK. Make sure to remember the text that you have replaced on it, and make sure that if you're going to add a text or a shortcut, it is easy to remember. Okay, so let's try with it. So we have typed backslash intersection. Now once done, hit the enter key and that's it. Let's try again. Backslash intersection. Make sure that it is something that you can easily remember and hit enter. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.